Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to change email associated with Peacock TV account. So to get started with a quick and straightforward guide on how to change email associated with your Peacock TV account. So the first thing to do is to visit the peacocktv.com, then log into your account. From there, you have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop-down menu. So once you do that, you have to navigate to update email. So in the account settings, locate the update email option, then click on it to initiate the email change process. Then after that, you have to verify your current email. So Peacock will send a verification email to your current email address. Open the email and click on the provided link to confirm your intent change the email address. Then after that, you have to enter your new email address. So after verifying your current email address, you will be prompted to enter your new email address, then submit the new email address to proceed. Then after that, you have to confirm the new email address. So Peacock will send a verification email to your new email address. So open the email and click the verification link to finalize the changes. And that's how you can simply change email associated with your Peacock TV account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.